What's going on, YouTube? Top back again with another video. In this video, I'm answering a question I saw on Quora that's very interesting. It's how to make money online if you're a college student and you don't have a lot of time and you want to invest little to no money. And that's an easy question because I used to be in college when I was much younger. I was working 2 jobs. So I put myself back in that place, working 2 jobs. I had a class 7 in the morning, 7 to like 11 o'clock, like 10. I worked from 11 to 3. And some nights I worked security. So I go to school 7 to 10. I worked, then went straight to work 11 to 3. And then it was 11 to 3, then work 3 to 11 the same job and do it all over again the next day. So I'm busy all day long. So one thing I could have done is in between shifts, when I had that hour break, I could have shot a YouTube video. Okay, I shot a YouTube video when I was driving to work, or when I had the hour break, go straight to work. I had that 30 minutes free, I could have shot a video. The next thing I could have done is write content. Once I was going to job, once I was leaving class, or let's say going to class, now I'm just going to work. I had little breaks here and there. Now, I told a lot of people on my other YouTube videos that WordPress has a app you can download your phone, and you can write your blog content on that app. So you can write on the go. So during these breaks I have, or like security, I work 11 at night to 7 in the morning. Well, sometimes I didn't. I might work 3 to 11, and at 11 o'clock I go home. On the weekends I work, so I work 3 to 11 and then 11 to 7. So yeah, it was a lot. So the days I went to school, I worked 7 to 10. I mean, school 7 to 10, and then 11 to like 3, or 11 to like 7 at night. So, during that time period, I could have done a video in between jobs. I could have done a video after work. I could have done write content on my phone during my breaks. I work security overnight as well. I was working at a hotel. I worked the banquets. So on weekends, had the most parties. So I would work 3 to 11 in the afternoon. Then from 11 o'clock, I'll clock in and clock out to security, and I work 11 to 7. So I work the whole day. So security is very boring at nighttime. You're not doing much. So I could have written content during that time on my cell phone. I could have shot a video. I could have ran an ad on my phone. Running ads are pretty hard on your phone. I'll run ad once you're at home, then control it on your phone. So you run an ad on Bing or whatever, Google, on your laptop, then you can have it on your phone to turn it off, turn it on. So that's why I would have done. And this is me working all day and going to school. So what I would say, start your website, start it now. With a blog, it's very part-time. I'm doing my blog now maybe 2 hours, hour and a half a night. It's very easy. A video takes 10 minutes. It may take you a little longer to edit a video, but you can start with a blog now and write content in your free time. Do 2 posts a week. Won't take you long. And be honest with you, you can write a post in an hour and a half. You do 1 post a week and do a post hour and a half, 2 hours, and you're done with the blog for the week. Then you can focus on your school and whatever else you gotta do. So I would stick to those two. Those two take the less time to do. YouTube is free. Blogging, you're paying $4 per month, very inexpensive. A domain name is $10 for a year, very cheap. And you can build this business while you're studying school. You got to put a lot of time in it, maybe a couple hours, 3-4 hours a week. If that, it's way better than a part-time job. And even if I was going to school part-time and having 2 full-time jobs, I still had time to shoot a video in between. I still had time to write content, because I could write 80% of the content on my phone. Then once I got home, I could have finished a blog post and go to bed. So to take that in mind, I was working 3 to 11 during the weekday, then 11 to 7 the same day. and I still had time to at least write one article and do 2 or 3 videos from my cell phone. And you do the same thing as well. In between class, you could write content. After class, write content. After you finish studying, go ahead, finish that blog post. Finish it, post the timestamp, what we gotta do. If you don't got time to promote it, that's fine. Write the content and keep it going. And then write the content, then study. And that's it for my video. It's not hard, but you just gotta find something you're interested in. You'll talk about, create content. You want to create content. You can write content and you can run ads if you want to. But if you're on a tight budget, I will do the YouTube and blogging. Stick with that. Work on it. Do 2 articles a week. Very cheap. Like I said, it's cheap, and take it from there. My name is Todd with SKing.com. Thanks for watching.